My name is Ranjit Kanbarkar. I've been with CEAT almost for 15 years now. Mostly working through project engineering and now looking after digital transformation across the operations value chain within the CEAT. CEAT is basically one of the leading manufacturer of tires in India. It was a company founded in Turin around 100 years back. So that's a kind of 100-year legacy that we carry as a brand. We have 6 manufacturing facilities within India. We have a couple of manufacturing facilities in Sri Lanka as well. Within India, we do a huge amount of business, but 18% of our business we do as an export across 110 countries globally as well. So our journey started somewhere in 2017, I would say, when we started looking at implementing MES as a solution, and that's when we partnered with Siemens for the first time to implement our digital Siemens MES solution as a part of digital initiatives. Post that, we have multiple layers. So we integrated MES with the SAP system. We tried to create an entire database which would be critical for us to drive our digital journey. And in last 4 years, our digital journey has really skyrocketed. If you look at the plethora of softwares that we use, I would broadly classify them into, we use your Team Center basically for PLM. Okay, then we have MES Ops Center, which we use for the manufacturing. Now we have added softwares like Technomatics for simulation. So we have trying to see how we can leverage this software to run multiple what-if scenarios when I really need to do scheduling or planning of my weekly plan at plants. We have added Mendix. We started to use a kind of an aggregator platform. The best part of the MES transformation is it actually helps people to do the entire work order. There's 2 aspects of this Siemens tool that we really, one is work order management, other one is transfer order management, so that people are able to understand which are the material that they need to pick in. We have Pokayo case put into the system which ensure that wrong material loading or usage of material doesn't happen. It ensures that my customer is getting the right set of product which it is intended to be made with the intended amount of quality of material. We already have a wow factor in terms of MES implementation that we have done, which is integrated with PLM and the SAP system.